If you want to create another user profile on the Poco C85, you can actually do that by opening the settings and now scroll all the way down to the additional settings. Right now you'll have to go for users, and now we have to click on this feature to allow multiple users, and we can add a guest account or add user. When you click here, you have to click next to be redirected over here, so you can set a profile photo for this specific user account. You can use a camera and take the photo, or use a gallery photo. So now you will be redirected, pick any photo that you want. And now you can even edit this photo, so we can rotate, you can scale, you can pick any part that you want, and you have to click on this icon to apply. Over here you can set a name, and if you do this, you have to click on the right upper corner on the switcher. Now it's going to create a new user, and now as you can see, you can also turn on the phone calls and short messages for this specific phone model, and you can switch to the user right now by clicking here. And now as you can see, we have to just wait a little bit, and we will get the first setup screen. So we can set up everything that we want one by one. You have to just follow on-screen instructions.